This video is about richest singers in 2025. Olivia Rodrigo with $60 million, Keith Urban with $75 million, Billie Eilish with $80 million, Blake Shelton with $90 million, Reba McEntire with $95 million, Enrico Iglesias with $100 million, Brad Paisley with $120 million, Ricky Martin with $120 million, Yoko Ono with $130 million, Anya with $130 million, Chris Stapleton with $135 million, Miranda Lambert with $140 million, Doja Cat with $140 million, Carrie Underwood with $140 million, Nicki Minaj with $150 million, Lucky Bryan with $160 million, Snoop Dogg with $170 million, Bad Bunny with $170 million, The Weeknd with $180 million, Drake with $180 million, Usher with $180 million, Adele with $190 million, Mark Anthony with $200 million, Britney Spears with $215 million, Pink with $220 million, Ozzy Osbourne with $240 million, Justin Bieber with $250 million, Travis Scott with $260 million, Christina Aguilera with $280 million, Gloria Estefan with $280 million, Shakira with $300 million, Ariana Grande with $320 million, Katy Perry with $350 million, Bruno Mars with $360 million, Kanye West with $400 million, Jennifer Lopez with $403 million, Gareth Brooks with $430 million, Dolly Parton with $450 million, Eric Clapton with $450 million, Lady Gaga with $480 million, Elton John with $500 million, Mick Jagger with $500 million, Barbara Streisand with $510 million, Toby Keith with $510 million, Selena Gomez with $700 million, Sean Diddy Combs with $740 million, Beyonce with $780 million, Dre with $800 million, Madonna with $850 million, Jimmy Buffett with $1 billion, U2 Bono with $1 billion, Coldplay Chris Martin with $1 billion, Eagle Don Henley with $1 billion, Bruce Springsteen with $1.1 billion, Billy Joel with $1.8 billion, Paul McCartney with $1.2 billion, Rihanna with $1.4 billion, Taylor Swift with $1.6 billion, James Hetfield with $1.76 billion, Jay-Z with $2.5 billion. Like this video and subscribe this channel.